Hi students, how are you? Hope you are safe at home. A new topic from your grammar, chapter number 8, the verb. Chapter number 8, the verb. Now the question arises, what is verb? You know the verb, but not able to recognize what is verb. So today we are going to learn what is verb. Okay, verb is a doing word, and second is verb is an action. Third is verb says what a person or thing does. Okay, what a person or thing does is called verb. Now students, action words. Action means what is action or what is our doing words. From morning to evening, all our activities we do, that is called action. Some of the verbs are listed as give, take, eat, drink, walk, run, fly, write, read, paint, click, and so on. So many verbs, whatever we do, that is verbs. Now we will find out the verbs in the sentence. Okay, you have to read the sentence, and in that sentence what is verb you should underline. Okay, first is Vikas reads a lots of book. Reads a lot of books. Second, the moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. Third, we played. What did you play? Tennis. We played tennis yesterday. We played tennis yesterday. Remember a spelling, double N. See, read now this sentence. Vikas reads a lot of books. Find out here verbs. Vikas reads a lot of books. Already I have told just in the introduction which are the verbs. Okay, and the moon shines at night. Third, we played tennis yesterday. Okay, very good. First sentence is read. We have to underline. And the second sentence, which one? Shines. Correct. And the third is very good. Played. These are called verbs. So in your question it comes like that. Underline the verbs. Okay. So you have to do this. And the second exercise, understood? No? These are the verbs. And the person does or thing does. Person, what he do? He did. He reads. He reads the books. And moon, what is doing? Shines. And what we have done? Played. Now you have to circle. You have to circle the verbs. You have to circle the verbs. What are the verbs? You have to circle. Okay. This kind of questions may ask you. First is, I am ill. Second is, I have CD player. It's not working. I have CD player. Third sentence, I have learned. Third sentence, the school has many rooms. The school has many rooms. Okay? Yes. Now, students, first we saw the action word. Okay? In this sentence, we have to find out verb. Okay? The I am ill. Here, am is verb. And I have CD player. In second sentence, I have CD player. Here, have is verb as a helping word. Okay? These are, we are going to learn, these are helping words. Okay? The school has. Here, has is helping word and the school has many rooms. Okay? These are the helping verbs, right? These are helping verbs, and don't think that there are only a single verb in the sentence. No, there will be more than one verbs. Okay, there will be more than one verbs. We will see what are the verbs in next sentences. I have talked. Okay, I have talked. I have talked to Rani. I have talked to Rani. And next one is, she will come today. She will come today. She will come today. Third is, I had finished my work. I had finished my work. Yes, in this sentence, we see now, not here only one, but there are more than one verb. So, first you read this sentence, I have talked to Rani. Here, in this sentence, have is helping, and this is talked action word. Okay, it was past talked. Okay, I have talked to Rani, maybe through phone or whatever. This is past tense, and she will come today. I will also come in this helping word, and come is action. She will come today. And the third sentence, I had, okay, I had finished my work, maybe yesterday. When she or he came, arrived at that time, already she had finished her work. Students, these are the helping words. Like these helping words are as, am, is, was, aware, have, has, and had. These are also called verbs. Okay, these are also called verb. Now, hope it helped you to know about what is verb. Okay, verb is an action word, or verb says what a person or thing does. And action words are already, you might have noticed, take, eat, drink, fly, paint, click, write, read, and so on. These are called verbs. Okay, you have to revise and you have to by heart the definition of the verb. And there are in your books, there are many exercises you have to go through, and you will do in your book. Okay, thank you.